up, everybody? Oh, hi. I'm back at this hunk of junk. Last time, remember, we ripped this apart. We decided, I think it's agreed upon within the community that there's no saving this guy. So today, I'll start ripping all this shit off this OldSols. I got some stuff I got to get for mine. I got some stuff I got to get for a couple other people that have hit me up. So we're going to get into this. I'm excited to take this car apart, just see how bad it is. But we got parts on parts on parts on parts on parts on parts we got to get rid of. So I already found something that I need. I don't have a spare tire. OEM spare tire. So that's good. That can go in my OldSols. We're already up, folks. We're already up, but I'm gonna work on this rear end here today, getting all the taillights out and rear bumper brace, and I don't know, just whatever I can do here in a couple hours. So let's dig in. So I got most of the trunk taken apart here. Nothing too crazy. Don't know what this is. This device complies with FCC rules. I have no idea. No clue what this is, but it's wired in back here. It was grounded. And then, what the fuck? I have no idea. It's like a radio or a security system. This says Antennas America. Maybe it's a new antenna or something. But I don't fucking know what that is. Huh. Crazy. But these things are just all so valuable. You know, these little things. These little seals. These rubber caps for your Targa. These guys are just hard to find. I got pretty nice interior pieces. Trunk seals in good shape, so that's good. And look at this. Look at this shiny red paint. Oh man, I wish the rest of the car looked like this. Just nice and shiny red. Such a shame. I don't know what happened from this to this, but something did. Crazy, huh? Okay, so we keep on digging here. This is cool. I don't have this in my OldSols. So this bracket here keeps your jack in the trunk, and it's got this little cover thing for some reason. But yeah, that's a cool find. Not bad, not bad. So I got that. That goes on there like that. Kind of cool. I got the taillights out and the wiring harness, so that's good. Now, look at this. Oh man. It's just, look at that. It's just fucking rusted on both sides here. It's so crazy. Look at this. I mean, this bumper might just be straight up fucked. It's not even. Whoo boy. Yikes. Okay, let's keep going. Oh man. This whole back end is fucked. Look at this. I didn't even have to unscrew anything. It's just fucking coming apart. Isn't that crazy? Look. Jeez. Jeez Louise. Good Lord. It's just so nasty. We made a good call. made a good call. Yeah, so pretty short little vlog here today. I wanted to keep some people updated. So I was gonna try to get rid of this thing for somebody, but man, it's also starting to just fall apart, and it just doesn't look good. I wouldn't be very comfortable selling this to somebody just because I can fucking put my fingers through shit and it just fucking falls apart. So that sucks. This was just what? How does this rust so bad? Like, I didn't even have to do anything. It literally fell off the car. All of these are supposed to be like bolted in, and it just fell off. Luckily, I think the bumper's fine. So that's gonna be okay. And we did get some stuff out of here today, but yeah. I don't know. These bolts didn't even come off. I like had to cut them off. This one I had to rip it through. Like, there's just so much rust and water damage. It's not good. So we definitely made the right choice. This one's a little too far gone for my liking. So that's it for today. I just wanted to try to pop off that back end and see what I was dealing with back there. And it's not good. So that's a bummer, but this is kind of what I'm gonna do. Just when I have some spare time on the weekend, I kind of took the whole back end off and the trunk, and we'll just knock things off one at a time, working our way towards the car, eventually get to the motor, which is a good motor. If anybody wants a motor, I don't know what you're gonna do with it. Or, I don't know, something off the motor, let me know. Yeah, so the continuation of the S model part out continues another day. So until next time, guys, peace.